Good evening, good evening, football critics. Welcome back to the channel. You are joined by your boy Nhlanhla Nhlangzini Ndima. You are joined by my co-host Unkonzo Buthelezi. Yeah, man, we just witnessed an amazing weekend of football, an amazing weekend of the PSL. You saw yesterday the game against the Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns. Um, Today it was the Orlando Pirates against the Ichipa United. A great win for Orlando Pirates. 3-0 is a great win. 3 points, 3 goals, clean sheets in the
Yeah,
bag.
it's a decent results.
Yeah. Yeah, Njaya, before I get into it, please make sure guys you subscribe to the channel, like this video, join the family, join the football critics. We talk and breed football here all the time. And yeah, let's get into it, Njaya. Njaya, muyibone kanjani game?
Yeah,
Sure, Njaya.
sure.
Muyibone kanjani game, Njaya?
Hey, yeah, it was a good game. It was a good game, Jam. More especially second half. I think that's where we see a different Pirates that we know from last season on second half. Because yeah, the approach on second half it was completely different when you compare it to first half. You understand? So I just like the character, like the mentality of the players. I like the way they play. They play with intentions to win the game. You understand? That was the difference from first half. Because on first half, they just play without no intention of hurting their opponent, no intention of uh, progressing their play, be dangerous, be a threat to cheaper United defense. But second half, yeah, they come with a different approach, different mentality, and they make use of the chances. That's the most important thing. If you scored 3 goals on the second half on 45 minutes, it shows if we started maybe with the same mentality first half, we should have maybe 5 goals or more. But yeah, to just get into the game, I think first half we didn't start well. We didn't start well. Uh, More especially in the midfielder. I don't feel they complemented each other. Because today we only see Dancing and Tapelo. Is it Tapelo Mokobodi? I'm not sure
Mukubu.
the name. Yeah. So Tapelo and Dancing, they will double pivot like this, and then in front of them it was Tito. But Tito was far away from these two guys. So whenever we tried to link up the play, Tito was nowhere to be seen. You understand? So I feel like they didn't complement each other, and we lack experience in the midfielder because we can see that the importance of experience on this cheaper United midfielder, the likes of Abo Gutman Mesele, you understand, Azola Jobin. So you can see that those guys they had better players in the midfield. They had better experience in the midfielder than Orlando Pirates. That's where I feel like we lack more on the first half. Then also uh, Lungu as well as Belebele, I think there was a bit more of a confusion in first half because obviously it was like 6 and 9. It was almost like they do the same thing. Understand? It was like 6 and 9. Just that Lunga was playing as a right winger, then Belebele was playing as a right fullback. But those guys, if you can see, like first half, like I feel like bebenga understandani sometimes we wanna be shy and stuff. So it wasn't good at all. I would even prefer that boy, the left-footed boy. That's the one that comes on the last game, second half. Yeah. So because I know he can operate in that half space, he's more comfortable on the ball. He can receive the ball and try to link up the play. He can go for goal. He can play those diagonal balls. Same as our policy on the left hand side. You understand? We need people who are more comfortable on the ball, more especially on that half space in between the defense, who can link up the play and make things happen. But yeah, also But credit to our defense, man. Even though we are lacking up front, I feel like more especially they are solid there in the backs. That guy, Siema, CBC, they've been doing well. They've been doing well. The team has been struggling more especially up front in terms of converting chances, link up the play with the combination. But those guys, they've been doing well. They're solid lapha emuva. So yeah. But second half, as I told you, second half, for sure, we go back to the drawing board. We try to make sure that we come with a different approach second half, which was we go more. We try to make sure that we have more intentions of hurting the opponent, more forward plays. That's where you see Tito starting to come to the game then second half. You understand? I feel like coaching keep a momentum because I feel like we said second half. You understand? We complemented each other, and also what's a goal by Lungu. What's a goal? Quick 10, then he hits the target. So yeah, I think second half we played well. We played well. Also, it has to do with the subs. It has to do with the subs. I think the coach also understands the game very well. He puts the right players at the right time. So man, yeah, credit to Orlando Pirates. It was a decent win, decent results. We needed much needed win, honestly, much needed win.
Yeah. I want to differ a little bit from what you've just said. Kancane. I think Mina, the way Pirates played today, I think it was the same way, like throughout 90 minutes long. I think the way we played first half is exactly the same way we played second half. I think the only difference is in the first half we were lacking that bit of quality to penetrate. You understand? And then second half, it was that one moment of like brilliance, like ipase Tito to Kampani Lungu, that touch, and then the local yabo. And the Chippa United, they ran out of steam in that game because the Pirates dominated Yonki game, like from minutes 1 to the last minute. Pirates dominated the game. The only difference is second half, Pirates added a little bit of quality into their play, and the Chippa United just could not respond. And the problem I have, Mina, with small teams, these small teams, they fine, they pack the bus and try and frustrate the bigger teams. But the problem is, mustn't goal when the big teams scores. Like they just ran out of ideas. And that's when the big team just rises, like Orlando Pirates today. If a game, lela goal lelana, like killer yonke game. Yabo. And mina, with regards to Tito, mina I like Tito Maswangani waga coach Abdeslam Wadu more than waga Rivero. Yabo Tito lo waga Wadu is more effective in terms of numbers, in terms of getting ama assist, ama ning, getting ama goal. Yabo. Because even if you watch some stats Tito Maswangani last season, he got more goals and assists than the last season yaga Rivero when he was always starting. Yabo. Last season he wasn't starting as much, but in terms of numbers, he got more than the seasons that he was starting. Yabo. And this season we are born and he's effective in terms of Laoma assist now. Yabo. He's got brilliant crosses, he's got brilliant pocket passes. Yabo. Ngiyamthanda Tito when he's at the edge of his box. Yabo, mayidlala ngaseboxini. Angimthanda Tito oya emuva dropha yolanda ibhola, because at times sometimes it does a little bit too much. Yabo, uyafuna ukupenza kakhulu. Yabo, so lo Tito lo dlala solely as a 10 ukuthi we are creator or you score. I like this Tito, me. Yabo. And I'm happy for the young players as well for getting opportunities. Yabo, abo Mukobodi, yabo Masilela, abo Rapo, yabona, you saw some young players coming in and showing Wuting and Pella they want to prove something here at Orlando Pirates. They want to show something. They want to give us something here at Orlando Pirates, and that's the mentality that I like. And Futu Ishil, I like the mentality of these players when they come in. They want to show something. Yeah, well, so I'm happy at the end of the day with the win. I'm happy with the 3 points. I'm happy with the clean sheets. But before nje, I say something else. I just want to give credit to Liboni Siema. Like, what a center back. I feel like he doesn't get credit as enough, Liboni Siema. Like, at the moment in the PSL, Aiki center back that's better than him. I can say he's the best currently. Currently is the best center back in the PSL. And if told Bafana call up, I don't know what else he needs to do. Like, honestly, angazi kumele enzeni. Mhlambe kumele abe defend likora amagoli amaningi. I don't know. Yabo, but brilliant center back. Ukwazi ukurida igame, first touch, the control. Like mfethu, ayikho into angayiphethe as a center back. You understand? Aggressive. He's not easily bullied. Yabo. So man, what's a player? What's a player? But like at the moment, where are you at the Orlando Pirates? Do you feel like you still need more? Do you feel like the midfield needs to be like fixed a little bit? Because we get Wakala and Wuti, like there was no progression and central play. But at the same time, I look at the way Orlando Pirates plays. Pirates doesn't necessarily play in a center. Yeah, well, I'm a midfield. They don't get much on the ball, especially build up play. Yeah, but the only time they get on the ball, I'm a midfielder Pirates is if it's really halfway line. Yeah, well, that's when they start being on the ball. Do you wish that could change at Orlando Pirates? Do you wish we could have like midfielders that actually build up people from the back and actually bring it forward?
Yeah, I think we really, I believe we have those kind of midfielder. Especially just as Talent Mbata currently is not available due to injury. But yeah, we really need ball players, man. We really need ball players. We are a big team. We are expected to dominate the game, and we usually dominate games. You understand? So whenever we are in control of the game, obviously midfielders they need to come to the party. The likes of Talent Mbata, Dancing, Tito, and yeah, I know our players they are capable, but sometimes it's just to do with the character. You understand? That they need to be on the game. That's what I'm saying. About the second half, we didn't change anything. We didn't change any formation, any strategy. But just that second half, we go with the with a strong character. You understand? We go there and show quality that we are ahead of these guys. So that's what I'm expecting from our players. That's what I'm expecting. The character. And also that's winning mentality. We need to have that winning mentality, you understand? Of not starting with a low gear, then we want to pick up later. Because in some games, we cannot even get a chance to come into the game. Maybe we wanted to come to the game like vele lapho sesiyabona ukuthi ishayile, so it's better to start ngamadi aphezulu, then we know second half we're going there to make sure that we maintain the standard set and also to go there and maintain the game. So I feel like that's what we need to fix.
I feel like
also with the combination up front, we need to find more. I don't feel like we have the right combination now. Like we are still working on finding the right combination, you understand? But that's something that we need to focus on trying to find the right combination. And also Abolungu to understand try to stretch the defense, run behind the defense, understand? Try to come on the half spaces, link up the play. Whenever Smelebele has the line, you know that you need to be on the half space. Whenever we are on the line, spell very to underlay. So those are the things. That's the understanding that I'm still looking forward to see on the Orlando Pirates team, because that's how we play, man. That's how we play. It's just to do with individual play and the combination play. You understand? It's just to do with how we played last season. Our policy, as well as in the game, you can see that combination. You can see that understanding between each other. So that's what I believe can win us games. That's what I believe it can win us games.
Yeah, and Leon Delay, it will come with time, yabo, because this is in Isakala. I remember not last season. Parrot didn't really start well. Yabo, they were trying to figure themselves out. Yabo. The positive thing about this season, Uguti, we haven't lost. Yabo, Kumbula Pela last season at this stage, we third game yet, 3 points. Yabo, because the first 2 games we lost them. Yabo. That game we seen 3 points. Now we have 7. Yabo. So it will come with time. Yabo. But yeah, at the end of the day, great win for Orlando Pirates. I'm really, really happy about the performance and the win. So yeah, for me, congratulations to Amapagani. I don't know if you still wanna add anything, Jam.
No, just it was a good game, man. It was a good game, much needed win. It's very important to collect this point as early as possible. Understand? So that it shows that we mean business at the end of the day. If you lack during the starting of the season, you also a point in the season. So I feel like we need to continue with the second half mentality when you approach next game, and also have that mentality of wanting to go for more, try and fix, improve. Then but the most important thing is to approach game with with the mentality and with the character that we had in the second half of this game.
Yeah. Hopefully, and ngiyawathemba Majid. Yabo, ngiyawathemba ukuthi eventually bazobamba umqiqo and gain maximum points.
They are capable.
They are capable, more than capable. This squad is more than capable of doing something special. Yabo.
Exactly.
But that's it from us, guys. As I've said at the beginning of the video, please, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. We are growing in numbers. We see the views, we see the new subscribers. Sanbonga, guys. Make sure you still engage with us. You subscribe. You comment. Share your thoughts. Share your thoughts.
Yeah.
We are just here to talk and breed football, because this is what we do. We love the beautiful game. That's it from us. It's your point, Nhlanhla Mdima. I was joined by my co-host Nkonzo Buthelezi. We'll see you on the next one. Hola.